Yes!
Kung papalakpak daw kayo ng mas palakas, iyakan na sila mo dito talaga. Purihin ang Panginoon! Purihin ang Panginoon! Masarap po po ang tulungan. At bago po mag-picture taking, ay meron po silang mag-sing panalita na sasabihin sa atin.
Magandang ako po sa inyong lahat.
Tanghali. Tanghali. Maga pa. Hindi, naka-zoom.
In behalf of my wonderful family, Lynn, my perfect wife, and my two lovely kids, Salma Angela and Janasa, I would like to take this opportunity to convey my sincere appreciation to all. To my mommy and papa, I wish you were here to witness this event. To all my sisters who are here, and nieces and nieces, thank you. Never forgotten all those wonderful people who have worked so hard in making this once-in-a-lifetime event a very memorable one. To Tita Ruth, Tita May, with all your support, love, and understanding, thank you very much. To Tita Lolet, to Tito Ben, Tita Eden, Ada and Len, Mary, and family, Kaden, Clayton, Prosingi, all of that. A special mention to Joy, Dina, Ria, for your support, planning, programming, and coordination. To Roy, our sidekick and treasurer. To Joe and Leia, you guys are absolutely great. Thank you very much. To Kuya Ed and family, to Kuya Roy and family, to all of you, beautiful people living overseas, like Jan and Cha, Tita Lita and Tito Abe, to Tess and Amy and family, thank you so much. May our awesome God will always bless you more. And finally, and most important part is, I accept, should I say, I should have said it long time ago. I'd like to be a part of the Gary Jimenez family. To be a member of this awesome, respectable, and wonderful families is a great honor indeed. Just like what Leia had texted me before she left. She said, Kuya, thank you for your life. Thank you for being with us, and you are welcome to our tribo. I am so blessed. God Almighty has given me a new family, the Aguirre Jimenez clan, and I'm so proud to tell the world to be a part of this new family. Thank you very much.